I'm Joy.
Guess what, guys? We have our barkada coming today. So we are preparing for a seafood boil. And Joy, what do we need for our seafood boil?
Okay, so since this is a continuing of our celebration for our 4th of July, I have a big pot of water here, and we will need crab boil. You can find this in your local store. And we'll also use this crawfish crab boil powder. And then lemon, whole garlic, and Cajun seasoning. We will also need paprika, cayenne pepper, onion salt, and garlic powder, and of course salt and pepper. But for the main ingredients,
we need some shrimps, crawfish. Look at the crawfish. And we already steamed the crabs. And then we have potatoes, the small ones, and corn, of course. And lots of unsalted butter.
Alright, so I'll show you how we prepare this. This is our version. Okay, there's a lot of variations of how to make seafood boil, but this is the easy way that I want to put it, the recipe. Alright, so we do have a big pot of this water. I already preheated it. It doesn't have to be really boiling, so we can drop the bag in there. All the seasoning are in here.
Wow.
And then, while it's waiting for, actually I already put a little bit of this in the water.
Oh, this one you already
Yes, I already put it in there a little bit, but we can add. So this one is just to add more flavor in there. So I added at least, I think, 2 tablespoons. So that one is already have it there. Then while we're waiting to get this boil, we can add our potatoes.
Okay, so that it will be soft.
So there, you just drop the whole thing, and then we'll wait till it gets boiled. See?
Those are cute potatoes, Joy.
Yeah, these are so cute. Look at this tiny potato. So cute. And then once the potato is halfway cooked, we can add our corns. Corn. So that's this. There. Get that flavor.
And then wait for it to boil.
Yeah, we'll just wait till to boil.
Do you need to cover it or?
And cover it.
There you go.
So now we're add the corn. So the corn is madali siyang maluto. So maybe mga 3 to 5 minutes lang siya.
So maanghang na maanghang ba to, Joy?
Hindi naman siya mga. I did not put. If you put more of this is spicy. So I didn't put a lot. So I put just 2 tablespoons.
You just put half and half so that it's not too spicy.
So we'll submerge everything. Okay, so we'll just wait till our corn.
So 3 to 5 minutes.
So yeah, so itong
Potatoes.
potato, madali siyang maluto. So it's good now. Now we're just gonna cover a little bit more.
Para soft.
And then
Yes.
we'll wait.
Okay. Wait.
Okay.
3 to 5 minutes.
Alright guys, so since we're waiting for the corn and potato to cook thoroughly, magme-melt tayo ngayon ng butter. So let's start with that Marie. And this has to be in a medium heat. So habang nagpapainit tayo ng pot, we can open this. And then I'll put unsalted butter in here. Are you ready to? It's gonna be kamayan. We'll use our hands.
Ooh, exciting.
Sinana naman yung diet.
I know, I was gonna say diet pa naman ako.
Diet siya. Siya lang. Ako, I always diet but nothing happens. So here you go. We're just going to melt
The butter.
This butter.
So what do you put in the butter, in the melted butter?
And after this, once it's melted, we'll add garlic.
Oh, okay.
Okay, tingnan natin ang corn.
Move to the corn.
Let's check our corn. Tingnan natin ang corn. Nag-boil na ba? Okay, that's good. That looks good. Konti pa. It's not 5 minutes yet. Alright, I'm gonna turn the heat a little bit up and cover it again. Just want the corn to fully cook. Alright, so let's just wait till this butter.
A few moments later.
Alright, so our corn, luto na siya. So let's take it out from the water, from the pot. Tanggalin lahat natin siya.
Okay, so now we put the garlic here in the butter. Talagang ang daming butter nito, di?
Diyan natin sa
So healthy. Goodbye, diet.
next time ulit, next Monday, tomorrow. We will add our shrimp. So, madali lang siyang maluto. I don't want to splash the camera, girl. Okay, lang na. Put everything there. Then the other one, other shrimp. I'll add this too in here. It's gonna be a lot of shrimp. And then let's see. This one mga 5 minutes lang. Madali lang talaga. Pag nag-pink na siya, then that means luto na. Okay. So now let's move on to Marie's. Marie, what are you doing this time?
So here in the butter section, if you see the Cajun seasoning, it is 1/2 tablespoon. So we will just drop it there and mix it.
Yes, and then you will add paprika. Everything is
Here,
mga ganyan, yes. This is 1/2 tablespoon
teaspoon.
or teaspoon. Ay, oops, that's okay. The more, the better. And then we'll add cayenne pepper. So everything is equal to same amount. Konti pa. There. And then our garlic powder.
More garlic.
More garlic. So this is kind of garlicky.
Love that.
Alright. And then we'll add a little bit of sugar.
Not the onion salt? That's for later.
Oh yeah, onion salt.
Onion salt too.
Konti lang onion salt. A little bit. Okay. And this is just a trick. We're just going to add a little bit of white sugar. This is optional.
So optional is the white sugar, but it's Joy's trick.
Yeah, it's just a
So you
little
might
bit.
wanna like try it.
Yes. konti
Little
lang.
pala yun eh.
And then we'll squeeze a little bit of lemon in there.
Oh.
We'll put the whole lemon in there. And then, if you want, this is just optional. If you want
Pepper,
pepper,
black pepper.
black pepper, just a little. And a little bit of salt. That's it. And then we can taste it.
Good.
Ayan siya. Gusto ko na maalat pa.
Okay, I like that too.
Let's put a little bit more salt. since this is a unsalted butter, so we use unsalted butter. You can add more of that.
So you can use salted too.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Kasi the unsalted butter is just to balance your taste. Kasi pag maalat na, and then you keep adding all the spices.
You don't know if you
Oh.
think it's too much.
Did you put this?
Yeah.
Oh, you
That's the
did?
first thing I
Oh,
did, the
okay.
Cajun seasoning.
Can we add more of this? It's like it's missing the kick.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay.
So if you taste it and you
Yeah.
want more Cajun seasoning, go ahead.
And then let's taste it. It's clean. See that?
Oh, our shrimp is ready, Joy. It's pink.
Alright, it's pink. So that means so our shrimp are done. You don't want it to overcook it kasi magiging tough siya. So, tanggalin na natin siya sa pot. So this is already pre-cooked. I'm just gonna put a little bit to wash a little bit of the spiciness and to make it warm. So, lagay lang natin to. There you go. Like this. Oh, may naiwan na shrimp. Okay. Ito na. Okay guys, so we forgot to mention that we will need sausage. So don't forget your sausage. It will not be complete without the sausage. So I'm just going to drop everything here. This is a smoked sausage. Just gonna put that and then let it cook. And cook it for at least 5 minutes. The barkada is here now, so they are hungry and ready to eat. So let me just pour in all this butter dressing in here.
Wow!
So we have 2 trays. Okay, and then maybe I can put this thing here. Oh no, I cannot. Alright, let's do this other side. Look at this, guys. Just drizzle that butter and garlic in here and the seasoning.
So Joy, I really like the way you prepare seafood boil. Thanks for hosting and thank you for sharing your recipe. So guys, if you want to have like, you know, a seafood boil at home, just follow this recipe. Hindi na kayo kailangan pumunta sa restaurant. So let's ask our friends, how did you like the seafood boil?
Love it!
So they love it, guys, and hope you guys try it. It's a very simple recipe. And then don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye!